thank you for being there. You know, for the surgeries and the rehabs. It wasn't always the easiest person to be around.
I agree that bad.
You should tell that to my ex-girlfriend.
Look,
Sorry.
hey, she just wasn't the right fit. You'll find someone new.
Sorry,
You okay?
Yeah,
Buck? Buck!
911, what's your emergency?